Yo, what is going on, growmies? Hope y'all are doing well, growing well. Now, growmies, today we have another product overview video. In the product overview videos, I go over the features of the products, show an unboxing, and give a first impression review. And today, we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Rainpoint Wi-Fi solar drip irrigation system, which contains the solar pump and Wi-Fi hub. But before we open up the Wi-Fi hub, let's check out the main product, which is the solar Wi-Fi pump. Taking it out of the paper, we can see a mini solar panel, ports, and a metal hanger. The accessories in this box come with black irrigation line, as well as connectors to change the direction of water flow. And finally is the Wi-Fi hub, which connects all the irrigation devices, allowing you to control them from your phone anywhere. Now the smart hub leads us to our next step of setting up and communicating with the device. In order to use this device and control it, we first have to get the Rainpoint app. After going through the sign up pages and creating an account, the app is now ready to use and we can connect to the device, which means now it's time to turn on the solar pump. In order to get power to the device, we first have to remove the plastic protector by pulling out the battery. And after connecting the pump via the app, it's time to set up our irrigation lines. In the packaging, there is many different connectors to make water flow adjustments wherever you need them, and also a debris filter to help prevent the water line and pump from getting contaminated. After connecting the setup, this is what I came up with. Using the split connectors, I have 5 irrigation lines total, with one hooked up to each plant. After testing out the device, for the first time, we can see it pumping water to each plant on the schedule that we set using the app. What's really cool about the irrigation is you can set up what time, days, and how long you want the water to be on for, creating a perfect time schedule. Depending on our environment, some days I might need to water and others I might not, which can be controlled on the app. After a few days of using the device, you'll figure out which setup is best for your environment. I will say, also make sure that you have a water pump or air stone filter setup to help keep that water oxygenated and prevent a still water environment. Anyways, using this device for a few weeks now, it really is an automated setup to where you really don't have to worry about anything other than making sure your bucket is full of water. For those who like to use synthetic liquid nutrients, this device is honestly perfect. I could definitely see cocoa growers who use synthetic nutrients really loving a small personal device like this. And especially for people who are just very busy and don't have the time to water every day. Overall, with a very easy app to use, so far the device has been working as expected with no problems. I will continue to use this device, but since I'm growing organic amendments, I'll definitely need to figure out how to water and feed my plants using physical particulate food. Anyways, this was an unboxing, product overview, and first impression review. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about irrigation for growing weed, and if you would want to try it. As always, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and comment. If you haven't seen my other grow/smoke reports, check them out. Keep it up out there, growmies, and stay motivated in this beautiful medicinal hobby. #gromiegang.